I am Imam Rajab, Imam of Masjid Bilal, which is here in Johannesburg Central. Most of the Musallis in our masjid, they are foreigners. We can say the whole Africa, from Malawi, Ghana, Mozambique, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, and all. Alhamdulillah, our masjid is very busy and very active. We have Jumu'ah Salah here, which takes about 700 people. We have the Madrasa of adults. We have Madrasa of kids. And also, Alhamdulillah, we have a soccer team here in our masjid for youngsters, just to keep them busy with our masjid, also to make them focus. Alhamdulillah, with IDP, I've benefited a lot. Firstly, I didn't know how to use, technology, especially online things, how to send email address, Alhamdulillah. And also, with IDP monthly, I get, money from IDP, which top me up from my salary, 2,000 every month, Alhamdulillah, which helped me a lot. And also with IDP, I attended the medical aid, first aid class, right? Whereby I know how to attend someone, especially now I'm dealing with the kids. We have madrasa for kids, and maybe if he gets injury or something, I will know how to attend them before sending them to the doctor, Alhamdulillah. And also with IDP, I'm attending the school, right, every day, which is a computer school, Alhamdulillah. A computer, I didn't know how to use a computer. Nowadays, Alhamdulillah, the life has advanced. So everyone needs to know the computer. So before that, I didn't know how to use the computer, but with IDP, these days I'm going every day in computer classes, and Alhamdulillah, I'm doing them practical. So it's benefited me a lot, Alhamdulillah.